everybody, welcome to my first video. Probably gonna play this game called Hole in the Wall. I was gonna call you on Discord. Anyways, I'm joined here by my sister. I'm still gonna call her. I don't know why, because she's right next to me. Still gonna call her. I don't know why. I'm gonna play this game called Hole in the Wall. Hello. Oh, hi. We'll play Hole in the Wall. The Pineapple Kingdom, what the... Anyways. Play. Are you gonna join me? Hole in the wall. Oh no, it's a different hole in the wall, okay? It's a different hole in the wall. It's actually pretty fun. But it's really intense. Just to let you know, so be prepared, okay? And sometimes it takes like forever to load your character in. This takes forever too. Just to get in. Hole in the wall. Fine, whatever. Well, this is an example. Like, you have these walls that come at you, and then they jump, and then there's like gotta be walls all coming from like all four corners. Well, not corner sides, so that, well, you can see right there. There's the game going on right there. That's hole in the wall, and you can't touch the wall. You have to go through the hole. So I can never complete this parkour. It's just never completed. It's like impossible. I've once tried it to do it in reverse. I'm trying to do it in reverse. It's like almost impossible. Oh gosh, I'm gonna do it in reverse. Oh, and game results. Nice. I don't care about this game. That was game results because I'm joining the different. It wasn't in that one. And you might see my character, this like gray blocky person, but I'm not. It's just because my character doesn't load in that fast in this game. I'm guessing so. Why you do this to me? I was so close. Yeah, I'm bad at parkour, so yeah, so be it. I know. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Just join me. Go to friends and click join game. Go to friends. Are you not my friend anymore? Is that it? Oh wait. Oh man, I totally said I was gonna make that. I already died. Wow, that's sad. We have some technical difficulties, so I'm gonna pause the recording until I can get my sister in this game. So, yeah. See you till then. Okay, I'm back. That took a while. Oh, we already died, or? Yep, my sister's in. Hey, do you know where you are? Yeah, you're at spectators. Oh, I'm really good at this game. Oh yeah, no, I'm better. I'm better. No. Yep, we all know how you. Okay, we get that. Oh man, I know. In this game, it takes forever. Yeah, we have two more. We have two more lives. Okay, this is a game. We have two more lives. Okay, once you're done, you're done. It's hard. Oh, 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 oh. No, you have to wait. See, there's an island and there's a bunch of walls, and you'll see what to do. Just don't get touched by a wall. No, you only have one life left. Okay, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Oh gosh! Hey, you pushed me. Okay, that doesn't count. You killed me anyway. Oh, no, that doesn't count. That doesn't count. Oh, game over. That doesn't count. Oh, I don't like that. Stupid! Stupid! Oof a doof, oof a doof, oof a doof, oof, oof. Rage. It's just rage. Rage. Why can't I respawn? And I can't respawn. I can't respawn. I can't respawn. I can't. No, I can't. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. Okay, I'm back. Hi. I couldn't respawn for a second. Oh gosh. Triggered. It's triggered. Game is starting. Wow. Just follow me. Where are the walls coming from? Where are you coming from, Trump? Come at me, Trump. Clinton, you're gonna die! Get in the hole! No, you're dead. It's that simple. No! Trump! Oh gosh. Oh gosh, this is gonna be hard. Ooh. Wait, what? Oh, I made it. That Pac-Man's hard. Just to let you know, you might be wondering how I'm so good at this game. I'm brand new at this game. Well, some of you might not be thinking that I'm good at this game. I've been playing off camera. Well, I've been playing off camera. Oh gosh. Saw one. I hate this. About what? Oh gosh. The music. The music, Joe. Wait, how's that coming? Whoopee! I got a gem! Whoa, gosh, it was a ghost. Hey, I won! Yeah, I won. There's a chance that it's actually possible for you to survive, but no one has ever done it, so survive the round. It's actually that possible. I can't respawn. Help me. Okay, I respawned. I got 3 gems! Whoa, I got 3 gems. Gems are hard to get. They're hard. Oh, a button! A button. Wait, what? Who fell? Who fell? Oh, there we go. Let me die. Eat. Watch out, Leo! Oh, watch out, watch out! No! No! Hey, I'm still in first place. Lel. Lel. Triggered. Just triggered. We're gonna do one more round and then we're gonna do the outro, okay? Oh, you pushed me! I know, like, I hate this. Like, oh, someone pushed me on. Yeah, it doesn't load in. Like, I know. Last time when I, ended the video, well, no, that was a failed video, but, yeah, last time, it didn't load in until the end of the video, which sucks, so. What? How come theirs avatar loaded and not ours? Oh gosh. Run, 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 run. run, 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 run. It's so hard. What? Oh gosh! Oh my gosh! I did. Oh wait, what? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Huh! Back! Oh god! Oh god! Game over. Anyway, so that's gonna conclude to the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Um, it's been 10 minutes. Oh, no, 11 minutes. My max amount of time was 15 minutes. Okay. Too bad. Anyways, that's gonna be it for today. Hey, my avatar loads seriously right when I'm about to leave. So that will conclude to the video. Like, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell, and comment down below which game do you want me to play next time. I do also have other games like Sternworks and Brick Rigs. If you want me to play those games too, yeah. So I'm just gonna play this until, oh gosh, I'm gonna play this until and I'm already dead. I'm already dead. So, anyways, bye.